Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the lenses and the noises of the autofocusing motor that the lens makes. Because recently I've been reading around the internet a lot that people are very unhappy because their lenses are producing very loud and very annoying noise when they're autofocusing, and it ruins their video footage. And today I'm going to show you a very simple and quick solution. It's not complex, it doesn't require any additional software, complex processing or anything like this. All you need is something you already probably have, which is a directional microphone like this Rode Video Micro here. And instead of mounting it right on the hot shoe of your camera, we're going to use something like this. It's called a hot shoe extender, and you can pick it up on Amazon for like 15 bucks or something. It's very cheap and very useful. I will put some links in the description of this video so you can pick it up for yourself. And basically the trick is that you mount the microphone on this extender like this, and then put this on the top of the camera. And what it does, it basically physically moves the microphone to the front of the lens, and it makes the microphone not pick up as many noises of the lens as it normally would. And why is that important? Because normally when you put your microphone right on the hot shoe of the camera, physically the lens is actually in front of the microphone. And the thing about those directional shotgun mics is that they pick up everything from the front, everything from the sides, but very little from the back. And if the lens is in front of the microphone, the noise of the autofocusing motor is picked up significantly by the microphone mounted right here. But if we use the extender like this, you can see that physically the microphone is in front of the lens. So the area on the back side of the microphone where it picks up very little noises is contained here. So the source of the noise, source of the autofocusing motor noise, is now physically on the back side of the shotgun mic, and it makes the world of a difference. Okay, but you don't have to trust my word for it. Let's hear it. I'm going to perform two tests. I'm going to flash this lens cap in front of the lens so the lens would have to autofocus, and you will hear the noise of it. I will be quiet at this time. I'm in a very quiet room, so just listen to the noise of the autofocusing motor. First, let's run the test with the microphone mounted directly on the hot shoe of the camera without the extender. So there we go. Okay, and now let's do the same test with the extender on. So the microphone is physically moved around 20 centimeters in front of the position where it originally was. So it's in front of the lens now. Let's hear it. Okay, now that we heard it, let's actually take a look at some waveforms, shall we? So I imported both of these waveforms into Adobe Audition, and you can see the waveform on the left depicts a single focusing action of the lens when the microphone was mounted directly on the camera without the extension. And the waveform on the right depicts the same thing but with the extender on. Keep in mind that the scale on the y-axis, which is decibels, is exactly the same here. You can clearly see that the waveform on the right with extender on is much smaller. The waveform without the extender peaks at about minus 28 decibels, whereas the waveform with the extender peaks at about minus 43 decibels, so it's a big difference. And if I overlay them together, you can see that the difference is indeed quite substantial. If you're still not convinced, I'm gonna put links to two of my recent vlogs down in the description of this video. One of them was recorded without the extender, and the other one is recorded with the extender. So watch those videos and hear it for yourself in a real world situation. You will see that if you're out there vlogging with some ambient sounds and you're talking to the camera, if you have the extender attached to the camera, the noises of the autofocusing motor are pretty much unnoticeable. And there you have it, guys. You can see how you can very easily and very cheaply, using only this contraption, reduce significantly the noises that the autofocusing motor makes, and you can go out, be happy, and shoot with your lens. You don't need to buy another lens. So I hope I made someone's day. I hope you learned something from this video. If you found it helpful, please leave a like down below. It really makes a difference. Also, you can subscribe to the channel because there will be more tutorials and tips like this in the future. I also make travel videos, vlogs. I own a DJI Mavic 2 Pro. I shoot some videos with the drones as well lately, so you can join me on the journey by subscribing to the channel. I would really appreciate it. And that's it for now. See you guys later. Have a good day. Bye.